In this video, we're going to solve an inequality and then we're going to graph it on a number line. So if we have a problem like this that says solve for h, then graph the solution on a number line. And here we have h is the variable greater than or equal to 2 plus 8. So first step, to solve for a variable, use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. And then what's important here is to make sure to do the same operation to both sides of the equation. So step 2. In this inequality, the variable h is already alone on the left side. Now you just simplify the right side of the inequality. So we know 8 plus 2 is 10. So h has to be greater than or equal to 10. So now we could plot this on our number line. So here's the graph. Let's graph it. And let's look for 10. 10 has to be greater than or equal to, h has to be greater than or equal to 10. So that's how it'll look. And when a circle is filled in, that means it satisfies the equal component of this inequality. So that's the equal to. H is greater than or equal to 10. So the numbers are getting bigger, so that means greater than. So this line satisfies H is greater than or equal to 10. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Check out the description. There's other videos of mine. There's links there with other videos that you could watch that are related to this as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this lesson exactly as you watch the video. This lesson is in the ebook. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.